Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, hello, and a very warm welcome to my channel once again. Before we begin the tour, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you do not miss upon any upcoming video. क्या आप जानते हैं कि राजस्थान में एक हिल स्टेशन भी है? जी हाँ, ओएसिस ऑफ राजस्थान कहा जाने वाला ये शहर है माउंट आबू. We begin our virtual tour of Mount Abu, also known as Oasis of Rajasthan. Mount Abu is a hill station in western India's Rajasthan state near the Gujarat border. Set on a high rocky plateau in the Aravalli range and surrounded by forest, it offers a relatively cool climate and views over the arid plains below. The peak tourist season in Mount Abu is the winter season. The best time to visit here is from November to June. Mount Abu is a wonderful place to visit and the place has a pleasing climate throughout the year. However, it is not a year-long tourist destination. A total of 3 days and 2 nights are enough to visit Mount Abu completely. Places to visit here are the Guru Shikhar, which is the highest peak in Aravalli range, Dattatreya Temple, Brahma Kumari's Peace Park, Achleshwar Maharaj Temple, Naki Lake and the stunning Dilwara Jain Temple. So let's go. We took a train from our city and first reached Abu Road. Abu Road is the first destination. From Abu Road, you can take a taxi to reach Mount Abu. It is a 1-hour drive from Abu Road to Mount Abu, approximately 30 kilometers. On the way up, you will get the amazing view of the beautiful and very famous Aravalli range. After the 1-hour long drive from Abu Road to Mount Abu, we have reached our hotel. And tomorrow morning, we are going to our first destination, Guru Shikhar. Good morning. We are on our way to Guru Shikhar, and this is the view on the way. The main lake of Mount Abu is the Naki Lake, but this little lake on the way is also known as Mini Naki Lake, giving you the beautiful view of the Aravalli range again. And we have reached Guru Shikhar now. This is the highest point of Mount Abu, also called the top of Aravalli. What's amazing about Guru Shikhar is its height from sea level, which is 5,653 feet. Being the highest point of Aravalli, you can see Achalgarh Temple, Brahma Kumari Peace Park and many other places from this height. The movie Qayamat Se Qayamat Tak was the first movie shot in Mount Abu. This place is surrounded by the village called Uriya village. It is said that Maharana Pratap hid in this village in the Aravalli range during a battle. These white structures in front are ISRO's satellite as well as the PRL, which stands for the Physical Research Laboratory. The next place to visit is this, the Dattatreya Temple, situated northwest of Guru Shikhar itself. This temple is dedicated to Guru Dattatreya. It is believed that Guru Dattatreya was an incarnation of the divine trinity of Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. And in this cave lies his Charan Paduka. इस गुफा में है भगवान दत्तात्रेय के चरण पादुका, जो कि भगवान ब्रह्मा, विष्णु और महेश के एक अवतार माने जाते हैं. Next, on your way down from Guru Shikhar or on the streets of Mount Abu, you can find things like these. This is called Sanjeevani Vanaspati, a decorative plant that comes from Haridwar. Another thing unique to Mount Abu was its local produce. This fruit that looked like cherry tomatoes and its red turnip, लाल मूली, जो हमने पहली बार यहाँ पे खाई है. From its size and color, it may look like a turnip, but it's actually a radish. ये आपको शलगम लगेगी, पर ये है मूली, locally called लाल मूली. इसके अलावा आपको यहाँ पर लोकल घूमते हुए कैरी खाने को मिलेगी. So this is the local stuff that you will get to eat on your way. Next popular place to visit in Mount Abu is the Brahma Kumari Peace Park. Mount Abu, also being the headquarters of Brahma Kumaris, offers a dedicated park called the Brahma Kumaris Peace Park. This is a serene destination offering a scenic garden with many plant species plus spiritual teachings. Let's walk you through it. This is the entrance to the Brahmakumari Peace Park, a natural environment where silence and recreation coexist. This inside is a specific area for swings where, as you can see, not just kids but people of all age groups can enjoy themselves. Playgrounds, picnic areas, swings, and walking trails offer ample space for recreation here. Other than recreation, there is this meditation cave where you can sit and meditate. There's also an auditorium inside where visitors can watch a short video film that highlights the innate beauty of human soul and interesting concepts related to Raj Yoga meditation. All in all, this park is a must visit if you come to Mount Abu. It is not just beautiful but lovely, serene, and definitely peaceful. And if you're traveling with your kids, this place is going to keep them entertained. After visiting the park, if you're hungry, a restaurant is just opposite to this peace park. अगर आप एक ब्रह्म कुमारीज फॉलोअर हैं तो इस पीस पार्क के अलावा यहाँ के यूनिवर्सल पीस हॉल जो कि यहाँ से कुछ किलोमीटर दूर है आप वहाँ भी विजिट कर सकते हैं. And with this we come to an end of our first part of the video. The remaining places we will cover in the second part. If you don't want to miss the second part, press the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as the video is posted. Do not miss the second part, as in that we bring to you the morning and night view of Naki Lake, Shankar Math, Sunset Point, Brahmakumari's Peace Hall, Achalgarh, Mandakini Kund, the must-visit Dilwara temples, and the Gujarati food that we had in Mount Abu. We'll be back with the second part very soon. Signing off for now, Namaste.